Oh boy. Parking lots are looking pretty full today. Are you ready, Carly?
I'm ready.
All right, here we are. We're gonna go steelhead fishing. We're on the river today. What does Carly got? Carly, what do you got?
A nice fish.
Talk to me. Oh, it's big. Nice. Nice one. Carly's hooked up. Nice brown. Oh, it's in the bag. First one of the day. Nice, beautiful brown, Carly. Hold on.
She's about to go back.
Awesome. Nice fish.
Thank you.
That's a good way to start the day. Oh, she's gonna go back. Come on, Mama. Thanks for playing. There it is. Holy cow. Dude. This thing is wild, Carly. Oh no! Oh!
That hurts.
That felt really, really big. Just popped out. Oh my God. Yeah, it was, I don't know what happened.
There it is.
Yeah, there it is. Next drift. Feels more like a brown. Alright, I lost. That was a nice fish I lost on the last drift, but this definitely makes up for it. Nice one, yeah. Come here, buddy. Oh, buddy. We got him. Nice. That is a nice one. Well, I just lost a nice fish. Then the next drift I throw in and got that nice buck brown.
Redemption fish.
Redemption fish. I'm gonna let him go. Ooh.
Don't slip.
Slippery. Oh. You take right off.
Sweet.
Alright, so Carly got one. I got one. And I lost a big one. It's still early. So we got 2 fish so far.
3.
3 fish. I'm not counting that.
You're not counting it?
Hold on. 3 fish. 2 fish, really. Caught a stalker. That's when we're leaving. So, new spot. Change of scenery. Harley, what do you think?
Definitely need to change the scenery.
A lot of people on the river, so we're just going to get in where we fit in.
Hop around.
Hop around and see what happens. That's the plan. I'm still sad about that big one. Carly. Carly. I'm sad.
I'd be sad too.
It was big.
It hurts to lose fish.
Oh, boy. I'm on.
That's a nice fish.
I'm on. It's a brown. Yep. Okay, that was a little hectic. Oh. Come on, Mama. Got her. Off the bridge, Carly. Third fish of the day for us, Carly.
Nice one.
Nice spawned out Mama Brown. Got her off the bridge. Getting a lot of stalker bites.
Crushing those sacks.
Crushing. I'm gonna let her go. She's gone.
Sweet.
I was like, hell no, don't tell me you did it.
That's not a small fish. Oh yeah. We're on. I like that. Oh God. Oh yeah. He's just staying down.
Yeah, he needs to come up before I know him.
Oh, it's a big brown. Nice big brown. Oh yes. We just drifted this hole about 800 times, but it was worth it.
For about an hour.
For about an hour. So we're gonna let that fish go.
Nice mama.
Nice big mama. Awesome colors. Ready? We should be able to get a good release.
And she's gone.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, that thing's freaking out.
That's really when I didn't have my pole in my hand.
Carly's got a big one. Oh, dude, that thing was thrashing all over. Nice fish. I'm gonna get down there for it. Sweet. That was legit. Oh, Carly's hooked up on the bridge right now. We came back to the bridge actually. We had to. Brown. No, that's a steelhead. Is it? Is it a brown?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Like it might be the same one you caught already.
No way. Uh oh, Carly's got a brown. It's a nice one.
Just got this nice female brown. A little spawned out, but she gave me a good fight. Nice long drift on some steelhead eggs. She's about to go back.
Nice mama.
Ready?
All right.
Alright.
She's gonna go back. Hopefully
do my best to
we
not
don't
fall
go back
in.
with her.
Oh,
Oh. Oh, that was kind of cool actually.
alright.
Nice job.
Sweet fish.
Sweet. So we and Carly been bouncing around quite a bit. We took a small break, ended up back at a spot where we had already caught a fish today. So there's been a lot of people out, so we just been bouncing around and getting in where we can and been picking away at some fish. Been solid.
It's been solid.
Solid.
I think we're at what, 5 now?
5.
5?
Not
Not
bad.
including all the stalkers.
Not including the stalkers. There it is. Yep. I don't know. It's freaking out though. It's got to be a brown. Its head shaking a lot. Yep. Careful. Oh boy. Here it is, here it is, here it is. Oh, nice, good job. Sweet. Alright, so me and Carly been bouncing around spots all day on a packed river, just getting in whatever holes we can and hitting some of the same spots just over and over, really. Nice, beautiful buck brown.
Gorgeous fish.
Gorgeous fish.
Beautiful colors.
He's gonna go real quick.
There we go. Nice and slow.
There it is. There it is. I don't know. Might be a brown. We'll take it. Head shakes. Oh yeah. Brown. Another brown. We're railing brown today, Carly. There we go. Nice. Beautiful. Oh. Nice spawned out little mama brown.
Little baby mama.
We'll take it. We've been working for him today, moving all around. Looking for the steal, but we keep getting browns and we're not complaining.
It's a good fish.
Nice little mom.
All right, time to put her back.
Ready to let her go. Oh, I'm sliding. She's going back.
There she goes.
She's on. First one of the day. Okay.